Hello friends, how you doing? And in this how to video I'm gonna show you how you can fix sound problem or speaker not working problem in Vivo Y33s. So before the starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are new on this channel. So if you're facing sound problem or speaker not working problem in Vivo Y33s, simply first of all you just need to go to settings app. So first of all just open settings application and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.